Since the software is kind of large, we went ahead and pre-downloaded. Go to your downloads folder. Okay. Now as it shows here, if this happens to you, just go ahead and hit OK. Now let's go to the Apple. Go to System Preferences. We can go to Security and Privacy. Just go ahead and click Open Anyway. Okay, it's going to ask you for your username and password. Okay, now from here, we'll go ahead and open. Go ahead and minimize this. Continue. Continue. Install. It's going to ask you for the password. Install software. Successful. Close. Close this out, and we're going to search for the software. Double click. It's going to show popping up on the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and give the software a username and password. This password is just for the software. Confirm. Okay, we're going to go ahead and enable auto login. We can use the wizard, but we're going to go ahead and cancel this out because I'm going to show you how to do it directly. Now once we go into control panel, we can go ahead and click on device management. We're going to add a new device. IP domain. Okay. Okay, we're going to type in our server port. For this demonstration, we're going to use 8000, but if you're not sure, just go ahead and verify on your DVR on the network tab. Now we're going to type in the username and password of the DVR. Okay, make sure export to group is enabled and click add. Okay, after a couple seconds, you'll see that the net status will turn green. Okay, now from here, we're going to go back to control panel. We're going to go to main view, and here's your DVR. Okay, just drag and drop your system over to the camera view, and there you have it.